Top of the afternoon to you. Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Now, just a quick update on what happened in the 200-meter heats for men and the 200-meter semis for women at the Paris Olympics Games 2024. Now, we have a few Jamaicans represented us in the 200-meter. We have Andrew Hudson and Brian Level, but sadly they didn't run fast enough to be in the automatic qualifiers. So remember, it's the first top three that automatically qualify. Otherwise, they have to do the repecharge to get a spot in the semi. So I'm gonna put up the times there so that you can see them for each semi, for the for each heat, for the men's 200 meter. Now, of course, you have the favorites going through, so you can see the times there. And I think they said they get a day of rest. So that's pretty good for them. Now, when it comes to the 200-meter semifinals, we have Nikisha Berger and also Lani Thomas representing. And sadly, both ladies did not they did not advance to the final. I'm going to put up the visuals as well so that you can see that. Nonetheless, the finals will be exciting because you have Alfred from St. Lucia and Gabby Thomas there. They're saying they are the ones to watch. It's gonna be a face-off. Probably St. Lucia will get the double. Who knows? Keep it in the Caribbean, right? As a lot of people will say. Or probably Gabby Thomas. Gabby Thomas' work ethics, determination up. So we'll see who wins. Nonetheless, we wish all the athletes the best and we'll keep you updated as normal.